Hello, for data communications and network one class today, Jansuna will talk about the internet. Okay, I think everyone knows about internet. You are using it every day, right? Okay, the word internet may come from interconnected network. Okay, so internet, and it is a network of networks. Okay, so in the previous clip video, we talked about wide area network, right? That use like packet switching network and some specific protocol. We have LAN, local area network, okay, and it can be broadcast, okay, and it can be wire or wireless. Okay, we have body area network, we have personal area network, we have telephone network, okay, but these all use different protocols, okay? So how can they connect together? Internet is very special because it's a network of networks, okay? That can be very different. You can have like maybe the Ethernet, like the Ethernet switch. Okay, you can have like the wireless access point, Wi-Fi, you know, you can have like maybe Wi-Fi. You can have maybe like, for example, bus. You can have like wide area network. Okay. Okay. So you can have many different network. Okay, and they can connect together. This is very like amazing. Okay, how can they connect together? Okay, they use different protocol. Think of in the real world, okay? I'm speaking Thai, okay, usually, but in this clip I'm speaking English. But anyway, suppose like there are different protocol, right? Different languages have different protocol, different grammar, okay? And different vocabulary. So maybe Spanish, Chinese, okay, they cannot talk to each other, right? Directly. Right now, if you go traveling, okay, and you cannot speak like Chinese, okay, then you cannot not very smooth. Okay, so I went to China, and I was trying to use like Google Translate, which was not still not very smooth. Okay, I'm speaking on the phone, and then they show up, the word in Chinese and show it to the shop owner. Okay, to read something like that, but not very easy to use. Okay, it can communicate, but not like I'm speaking and then they hear me in their language. Okay, so this is the same thing as a network. They talk with different protocol. Okay, so how can they connect together? Okay, this is the main point. Okay, connectivities between different protocol of networks. Okay, network with different protocol. This is the key point of the internet. Okay, internet. Okay, as I told you before, network can be wired or wireless. Okay, different protocol, LAN, WAN, all different type of network can connect together. This is the main point for the internet. Okay, and so they use internet protocol. Okay, to connect these different networks. Okay, and you might have heard of for the hardware, you use like the router. Okay, that read the IP address. Okay, you have heard of IP address, right? The IP address is like your home address. Okay, when you send the data and you know who is sending, who is receiving. Okay, something like that. So you can route to the correct destination. Okay, and the IP address is important. Very important. Okay, if you have heard of like Internet of Things, IoT. Okay, IoT is like the device like your phone, your tablet, your refrigerator, okay, your television, smart television, your like many device, okay, if they have the IP address, okay, they can communicate with each other, okay. They can send signal with each other, they can talk to each other, okay. This is Internet of Things, which will not go into detail now. For this clip, this is like introduction, overview, okay, on the internet, but we'll talk about the internet protocol later, okay, in other clips, okay. But anyway, so it's very important, okay, for the internet to use the internet protocol, okay, which make it possible to connect, okay, using the routers and the hardware and the IP address, okay, to go to the correct destination, okay, and we'll talk about that later, okay. But if you want, you can search more, okay, on the Internet of Things, okay, how the device use the IP to communicate, okay. Anyway, another in the technical term, okay, the TCP/IP protocol suite, okay, this is the most common protocol suite in the internet, okay. TCP is transmission control protocol, IP is the internet protocol. It's the most widely used internet, protocol suite, okay, they use in the internet. Actually, in the like transmission control protocol, there's also in that layer there are also other protocol like UDP, user data protocol, but user datagram protocol. But don't worry about this, okay. We'll talk about this later, okay. But right now, you should have heard about the TCP/IP. If not, okay, we'll go into the structure of TCP/IP protocol suite, okay, later on, okay, in other clips. But anyway, this is the protocol that makes it possible, okay, to connect different networks with different protocols together. Now let's look at statistics of the internet use, okay. In the 1990s, we have only 2.6 million users, okay, and on the 6th of August 1991, okay, first website, okay, and now it's growing until for 2024 we have about 5.35 billion people, okay, around the world using the internet. In 2024, this is about 66.2% of the world population, which is a lot, okay. And this is another overview of the statistic, okay, of the internet use. We have talked about that is 5.35 billion people, and those who are using the internet, for each internet user, almost 7 hours per day, okay, 6 hours 40 minutes on average, okay, and 66.2% of our population, and we are accessing with mobile phone for 96.5%, via other device like the laptop, desktop about 62%, okay. This is for women, this is for men, by gender. This is urban people use internet almost 80%, for rural almost 50%, okay. So they updated all the time, so you can check the statistic, okay, maybe in another 4-5 years, okay, what is happening, how many people using that internet at that time, okay. There will be like issue about like how to make it like the people, there are still people who cannot connect into the internet, okay, in some country, in some area of the world, okay, and because they cannot access, okay, so they are maybe not equal, okay, into like getting the information, something like that, okay. So there in this website, okay, there are many other statistics, okay, and about the internet, and you can look at it more, okay. Okay, for the trends, very difficult, okay, to summarize the trends, okay. There's trend on IT, trend on internet, and there's like 2030s, year of 2030s. But anyway, I select this one because this article was just posted last month, okay, and predict that by 2050, okay, which I think is probably gonna come before, okay. I mean, some part is happening right now, but to be fully like common use for everyone, maybe for the whole features, okay, maybe okay by 2050, probably gonna be before that. Anyway, this website predict, okay, that traditional computers and phone probably will not be used any longer, okay. We will have like many others like maybe smaller device or more convenient device, or like device like the watch, digital watch, that smartwatch, okay. This has come many years already, but maybe we can use it to show project on the screen or whatever, okay. I'm predicting which probably not gonna be correct, okay, like when it's gonna come, okay. Anyway, this website predict that the internet will be a fully immersive experience. Fully immersive experience is like you are into, you get into the net, okay. You feel like you are inside, you are getting into the net. There is a movie, okay, called Ready Player One, okay, by Steven Spielberg. I think if I remember correctly, it's 2018, okay, movie, and so it's many years ago, but it's come from science fiction, okay. About science fiction is like 2011, so it's even like you know many years in the past, but they show how you get fully immersive, okay, into the internet. So maybe there will be like future like movies, okay, they're showing this more and more, okay. But this is one of the good movie that I think was a good movie to feel what it means, okay, by the fully immersive experience, okay. And they were using the augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, artificial intelligence, AI, okay. This, especially the AI, it will come up, it will change everything, okay. So many people think that it will become like, like electricity, okay. Mr. Andrew, okay, give a talk, okay, just a little while ago, maybe this month or last month, I mean July 2024, that he came to Thailand, and he was like the godfather of AI. So he said that AI will be like electricity, it will change everything in our life, okay. So let's see, okay, what is happening. But right now, AI is we can still not don't know much, okay, about the impact of AI. We just know that it will change our life in many ways, okay. But don't believe too much on the AI, okay. It's like the chat GPT and everything, it may not be correct. You have to know you have to have a sense of it, okay, to use it wisely, okay. Anyway, and then also interact with the web using like natural gesture, like you wave your hand, you don't have to type, okay. You just maybe you nod, or you do like with your facial or your body, okay, and then they understand you, and the voice command, okay. Right now for the Thai language is still not perfect, okay. Like when you are speaking Thai and ask like the application to like Line application to to type, okay, what you are talking. Sometimes they like they misspell, okay, or they misunderstand you, okay. So it's still not that convenient for not typing. You have to guess a lot, okay. But in the future, okay, it should be like perfect, okay, voice command, and also maybe just thinking and then you just give command by thoughts, okay, and the device will just work. You don't have to touch a button or keyboard or anything, okay. That was like Elon Musk, okay. Elon Musk tried to do experiment many years ago um, about this, like have chip like on the animals, okay. But anyway, it's still not in the 2024. It's still not coming up like have thoughts and then command, okay. But it may come up like in the future, okay. And so this is the reference that claim this, okay. And what is the internet, okay. This is a very short video that I like a lot, okay. Is the YouTube video in this channel code.org by Vinci Cerf, who is one of the father of the internet. He is a co-founder of the internet, so it's good to hear him, okay. It's very short video and he just a fun video, and then it show you the concept, okay, behind the internet, okay. That is a distributed network. It came from the idea of trying to get a network that can withstand the nuclear attack or something like that. So it's good to hear, okay. So this is the reference, okay. And there's also other video in the same channels, okay. But it may be quite old, okay. This is many years ago. Maybe there is a new one, okay, to explain other things, okay. But the first this what is internet video would be like nice to hear, okay. Okay, so this is the reference and I'm trying to make it as updated as possible, okay, as of now, okay. But you know that this will changing very quickly, very rapidly, so you have to keep up to date all the time, okay. And that we will update it when we meet in class, okay, for other years, okay, that have new things coming up. Thank you very much.